Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're focusing on the lymphatic system and how to support its natural detoxification using vervain and sage. Now I'll go over recommended dosages and how to use these herbs, the precautions and the science behind their benefits. Now I'm talking about wild sage, which I've got here, and organic vervain, which is important because we want the full potency for their effectiveness with no additional bulkers or pesticides. Now, the lymphatic system helps eliminate waste and toxins from the body, making it a key player in your detox pathways, supporting its function with herbs like vervain and sage, which you can source at naturalworkshops.com to make sure that you're getting the highest quality. These can enhance lymphatic flow and overall detoxification. Now, let's talk about dosages, usage, and benefits. Now, herbalists typically recommend 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried vervain leaves per cup of water. To prepare vervain tea, I use 1 teaspoon of dried vervain leaves in 1 cup of hot water and I let it steep for 10 minutes before straining. I drink 1 cup twice a day to support lymphatic flow. Now, vervain is known for its anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties, which can help reduce lymphatic congestion and promote the removal of toxins through urination. Now, research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology suggests that vervain has lymph-stimulating and anti-inflammatory effects, which can support the body's natural detoxification. Now, vervain is generally safe, but you should avoid it if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, and make sure that you consult your healthcare practitioner if you're under any medical care, medications, any underlying conditions, because it can stimulate uterine contractions regarding pregnant women. So please do make sure that you avoid this herb. Now, those with low blood pressure should also use it cautiously. Now, for sage, which is the wild sage that I've got right here, herbalists recommend 1 teaspoon of dried sage leaves per cup of water, up to 2 times daily. Now, to prepare sage tea, I add 1 teaspoon of dried sage leaves to 1 cup of boiling water. I let it steep for about 10 minutes and then I strain it before drinking. Now, I drink this tea in the afternoon to support my lymphatic health. Sage is a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps the body combat oxidative stress and supports lymphatic function. Now, studies in the journey of traditional and complementary medicine show that sage contains compounds like rosmarinic acid, which have anti-inflammatory and detoxifying effects. Again, while sage is safe in moderate amounts, large doses can be toxic. So those who are pregnant, breastfeeding, have epilepsy, should consult a healthcare professional before use. So this is why I use these herbs for lymphatic health. I incorporate vervain in the morning and sage in the afternoon to promote healthy lymphatic flow, and sometimes I make a batch of tea in advance and I store it in an airtight jar in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Now, this allows me to support my lymphatic system consistently. And if you want to source organic and well-crafted herbs, check out naturalworkshops.com and I'll put the link in the description below. But as always, consult a healthcare professional before starting any detox or using herbs, especially if you have medical conditions, taking medication, pregnant or breastfeeding. Now, if you're passionate about natural health, join our live Health Seekers Telegram group. It's free to join and filled with fantastic discussions on well-being and natural remedies. And I'll put the link below as well. Now, thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. So be happy, stay healthy, and always be wise. And I'll see you in the next video.